There's one. Ooh. Ladyfish. Little ladyfish on the fly. Never caught one of these on the fly. It's pretty fun catching little fish on flies. I don't do it a whole lot. I'm not the best at it, but it's fun doing something different. Getting out, walking around. Yeah, I am definitely not the best at fly fishing, but it's fun. I'm used to bass fishing for flies back home in the river. That's pretty fun, but catching saltwater fish on fly, it's pretty fun also. But catching big smallies in the river, it's a whole different ball game. Until I never caught a red on here. I think it'd be fun to catch a red on a fly, but I just can't cast that far yet. No idea what this is. I hope it's not a cat. It is. Been out here for almost 2 hours. First fish. I was hoping to catch some trout today. I haven't caught any trout in a while. I mean, it hit it as soon as it hit the water, so I thought it was either a small snook or a trout. I was just getting ready to leave too. It's like, oh, I'll make one more cast. We might make a couple more casts just to see, slowly work our way back. There's one. Decent little red. Nice little red on the Z-Man paddle tail. 3-inch motor oil. Super high tide right now. Boat's been in the shop for a couple days, so I figured I'd come out and walk around a little bit. Decent little baby red. Still fun.